Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Sonia. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good. You are a learner who confuses me. Sometimes, oh, he's there, the hero. Hi. All right. Sometimes you're in Rajasthan. Sometimes you keep telling me you're in Nepal. Where are you currently?
In Nepal.
You're in Nepal. Oh, all right. Is it cold in Nepal?
Yes.
Oh, all right, all right. Okay. He's not going to school?
He came from the
He
school.
came back. Oh, it's 4 o'clock. Oh, maybe. Oh, all right, all
Yeah.
right. Okay. 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 Anything interesting happened in your life since our last interaction? Anything worth mentioning?
Nothing much as
Oh,
usual. Yeah.
oh, right, right. Okay. So today's topic, I'm not really sure whether it's of your area of interest. Those are talking about the five basic elements of existence.
Uh, Air, water, fire,
Ah,
ether, and
correct,
earth.
correct. Air, water, fire, then
Ether, earth.
correct, correct. Do you think
Yeah.
these elements are really necessary?
Yeah, we can't be exist without them.
We don't exist, correct? We can't exist
Yeah.
without them, right?
Yeah.
What about your physical body? They are made up how many? They are made up of how many elements?
Five elements.
Oh, right, you know that.
Yeah. And water is about 72% in our body.
Mm,
And our body is fundamentally same
mm,
as even like a cockroach,
mm,
any bird, anything.
mm,
So every animal, every creature, Divyam,
mm,
we have same elements and same percentage. Like we have 72% of water and
mm.
6% of air, maybe 4% of fire, like this.
Right. Let's talk about fire. Very interesting element. Do you think fire is very important in our body? What are the uses of fire in our body? Any use that you can think of?
Uh, it's not like we use fire. I think anger is like fire. I feel, I don't know. I
Yes,
feel like,
when when we get angry, our body feels heated up, isn't it?
yeah, I feel
Right.
that maybe that is, or when we want to do something, there must be some fire to us. That's right.
Right. You know the
Yeah.
digestion? We eat 3 times a day. The food is digested in our body because of the fire element.
Oh, okay.
Yes, as in our stomach area, the fire element is very active. The moment we consume food, a fire is produced. It's in that fire the food gets digested. That is why,
Okay.
as per Ayurveda, it is said after you eat food, don't drink water. It is like the
Oh,
fire starts and you drink water and the fire goes off. So the
okay.
digestion will come down and we'll have gastric issues.
So
What happened?
1 minute.
All right, all right.
Sorry.
His name is Divya.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, right, right. He can sit
Yeah.
next to you. Let him play. What is the problem?
He's playing with a ball and ball
Oh,
just hit my phone.
oh, all right, all right.
That's
Okay.
why.
Then okay.
Yeah.
How old is he?
He's 6.
No, he's too young. Let him play. Right. Yes.
He's
So
playing
that
inside.
he does not have any friends to play after the school.
No, he have a friend, but they play only in weekends.
Oh, right, right. He
Yeah.
have a friend or he has a friend.
He has a friend.
Oh,
Yes.
correct. Careless mistake. Correct. He has a friend, but they
Uh,
play only during the weekends. During the
During the
week.
weekend. Yeah.
Correct. Correct. Yes.
During.
Let's take the next element, Earth. How do you stay connected to Earth? Tell me. How do you stay connected to Earth?
Whatever we eat,
Hmm.
it's all earth.
Oh,
We
right.
walk on earth. We are connected.
Correct.
Every second, every moment.
Correct.
So,
Do you do
and
something?
in our body, there is two part of earth, like small earth or large, like our outer body or in inner body, like atoms and all.
Hmm.
So earth is all we can see. Like I can see you because of the earth.
Hmm. Correct,
Yeah.
correct. One thing which I do to stay connected to earth is that I'm interested in gardening. So whenever I'm doing with gardening, I don't use gloves and I don't wear any
Okay.
chappal. So what happens is that I'm staying grounded. I use my hands to get in touch with the soil. Not only that, in Kerala we all use mud pots. Do you use it
Okay.
in Nepal? Mud pots?
No, I
Pots
don't.
made of mud. I think in Hindi it is called guja. No?
No, I don't know.
So we
Yeah,
put
but
so water.
in Nepal, in every house there is a small garden.
Oh,
The
right,
Nepalis are very connected to nature.
right. What about you?
Me also.
Hmm.
I have some inside indoor plants.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Right, right. How do you maintain them? What do you do? Do you do something for the?
Yes, we
What do you
have
do?
to.
What do
I
you
do
do?
watering and changing the mud. We have
Hmm.
to change day by day or in weekly basis or something.
Who is it? But I used to have some indoor plants, but there was some small white substance which was coming inside the sand. I mean, inside the soil. So what I observed was that we are breathing the same air. So
Yes.
so I stopped putting them inside. I kept all the pots outside now.
I
Did you
have
observe?
snake plants and some scientists won't advise that we have to place them inside so it can purify the air.
Purified
Yeah.
water. Right, right. So I think in that case we have to cover the soil with some small pebbles, so that otherwise what happens is that the
Yeah.
soil there's some dot is coming, white dots. I really don't know what is it. I think some bacteria.
Oh, no,
Snake.
I
Even
don't
I,
have it.
you don't have it. I had snake plants, then pothos, then cactus. So now I've kept
Oh,
everything
maybe
else.
it's because of specific area.
Maybe because my area
Mm.
is very humid.
Oh,
Maybe because
mm,
of that.
maybe. Yeah.
Right. And my dad was so upset that I removed them from inside. He was like, it was looking so beautiful. Why have you removed it from this place? He was so upset. Right. Is Divyam interested in gardening?
Yes.
Oh, right,
We
right.
went Rajasthan for 20 days, and the one plant indoor plant became very bad. So he was upset. What happened to my plant?
Does he talk to them?
No, he don't talk, but yeah, he cares.
Ah, that is
Even
good.
when it rains, he learned in a chapter that we have to collect rainwater and we have
Hmm.
to reuse it. So every time, whenever rains, he take a bucket and put it outside the house. So and keep asking me, Mama, you have to use this water. Mama, you have to use this water.
And are you using it?
Yes, I have to.
You can use it for washing and maybe watering the
Yeah,
plants.
yes, I
Ah,
do.
all right. Okay. So your son is growing up in a very, very good environment. That is good. That is good to know
Yeah,
that. Children should grow up like that. Right.
yeah.
Any other information that you would like to share with me regarding the topic? Five elements. Any information? Anything?
So in Ayurveda,
Hmm.
there is discussed that how we can manage our inner five elements
Hmm.
to be to live a good life
Hmm.
and a healthy life.
Hmm.
So this must be we have to acknowledge this with some or effort this to know something. How can we manage our body and mind with these elements?
Right.
We
Right.
can do like in Ayurveda they says that we have to eat food that has 72% of water.
Hmm. True. True. That is true. Even I have
Yeah,
heard that.
yeah. So we don't have to we just don't have to drink water. We have to have the food that them they have 72% of water. After that we can be healthy.
Correct. Do you follow any such thing? I don't
Yeah, I
basically.
drink water. I have fruits and all. Yeah.
But when it's cold, is it easy to consume fruits when the weather is cold outside?
Yeah, I will heat them a bit.
The fruits.
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
In microwave for 5 or 6 seconds.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
All right. I've also heard that Ayurvedic treatment starts by cleansing the body, and they work on all these five elements. They have
Yes.
some categories, yes. So they will first
Yeah.
understand the body type. What is your body type? Are you basically heated body type or basically warm, cold? What sort of a
I'm,
body?
uh, I'm cold.
Oh, cold.
I think. I
Um,
think.
right.
I don't know, but I feel.
Then you will have to consume more hot food, spicy food, not
Yeah.
spicy. Yes,
I
something which
can't
generates
have
heat.
spicy foods. I don't know why, but
Not even pepper.
a little bit of, but not very good spice eater.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let's look at some words related to this topic. Let's see. Ah, this is a very nice word. Vibrant. Vibrant.
Vibrant, colorful.
Colorful. My living room is very vibrant. Rather than saying colorful, you can say vibrant. Vibrant is a very beautiful word, a very
Yeah.
simple word. Everybody can
Oh,
use it.
the area I am living in Kathmandu is very vibrant.
It is really vibrant
Yeah, we
in
can see
terms of.
mountains and all. Yeah, it's.
Oh, right.
Uh, I'm
Nap
also outside of the. I am in Vanasthali area, like jungle and all, forest and all. So yeah,
Oh, right. Okay. Nepal is close by to Tibet, isn't it? Borderline?
India.
It is a borderline, isn't it? It's close by to Tibet. Have you been to
Yes.
Tibet?
No, I haven't.
Right. Okay. Let's see another word. Okay, what's the meaning of floral? I like floral print. I like floral print t-shirt. What's the meaning of floral?
Floral, print of flowers.
Correct, very good.
Yeah.
That is a term derived from flowers, something
Yeah.
related to flowers, the prints of flowers.
I
Right.
have a floral background in my bedroom.
Correct. That is correct. Right.
Yeah.
A person who sells flowers is called florist. Florist. Right.
Florist.
Right. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So whenever you're learning a new word, connect other words also related to that. So you will have lots of words and always memorize. You told me a sentence, isn't it? So now you will remember that particular word. Otherwise,
Yeah.
it's very difficult to remember and say it in a sentence. Now, let's
Yeah.
see another one. What's the meaning of earthy? Earthy.
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 Uh,
What could be the meaning?
earthy. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a earthy person.
Earthy person. Earthy simply means something that contains or looks like soil or dirt.
Sorry.
Something like that feels like soil or dirt. Soil or dirt. For
Oh,
example, I can say,
okay.
he smells earthy
Okay.
today.
It's a different meaning because that is
Yes.
down to earth, right?
Yes, exactly. Exactly. Down to earth meaning very humble. Very humble.
Hello.
Hello?
Divyam's friends are started calling him.
Oh, is it? All right. Not a problem. Any which way, it's only 5 more minutes. After that, you
Yeah.
can give the phone to him. Right. So what you said is correct, but you used it in a different way.
Oh, sorry.
He's waiting. You're telling him sorry.
No, I'm telling you sorry.
Oh, no, I don't have any problem.
I didn't listen to you.
Right. I was telling you were talking about Dhoni. So what you meant is he's a very down to earth person, meaning
Down to
very
earth.
humble.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Earthy means something which smells like earth or dirt. Right.
Okay.
Let's see another word. Hmm. Vivid. Vivid.
Vivid. I know the filter, vivid, but I don't know meaning of it.
Something that is bright and colorful. Something that is
Okay.
bright and colorful.
My son like vivid
Uh,
clothes or
yes,
colors.
yes,
Yeah.
you can say that. But other than that, I would say vibrant is much more impactful. I like vibrant rather than vivid. Right. All right. Let's look at another word. What's the meaning of budding? Budding. Budding.
Budding.
Ah,
Uh, Plants started budding.
Correct. In the first stage, the growing
Yeah.
stage of the plant, right? What about buds? Buds.
Buds.
Ah,
Buds. The flower before becoming a flower.
yes, correct. Now there is another word called this earbuds. What is earbuds?
So
Earbuds.
yeah, but we
Ah,
put in ears.
yes. So
Yeah.
that
To
is
clean
different.
them.
Yes, so that is different. So see, the
Yeah.
words are used in different ways. This is how you
Yeah.
connect and learn vocabulary. Right.
Okay.
All right. Let's look at one more word. What's the meaning of bare? Bare, bare feet. Your neck looks very bare.
Without wearing something in
Correct.
feet.
Correct. That is
Yeah.
correct. But have you ever used this word? This is a very simple word. Did you ever use it?
I always go walk around barefoot.
Correct. That is
Yeah.
correct. So this is how you start using new vocabulary in your sentences. Hmm?
Okay.
Oh, overall, you're a very fluent speaker. Today, I found very mild issues regarding singular plural. Instead of using takes, you were using take. Singular plural errors were there, but that was
Yeah.
careless mistake. So,
Yes.
so yeah, you know that. Yes. So sometimes mistakes happen. That is okay.
Okay.
But try to speak fluently and try to use a lot of words in your words sentences. Hmm?
I will try.
Hmm.